It's time to sell, and you're maybe wondering where to start. Well, start here. Hi, I'm Amber Almond Hall with the Walker Hall Group, and in this series, I'm going to outline the process of selling a house in Utah, 4 top things to consider and why they're important in listing your home. Okay, so it's time to sell, or you're wondering if it's time to sell. The process of selling a house in Utah always starts with value. How much is my home worth? This will paint a picture of how you move forward, and that's why it's the first part of the process. How do you get value, you ask? That's where I come in. A qualified and experienced real estate agent can get you a value based on some basic information. Things like your address, how many bedrooms and bathrooms, how many car garage or carport, what size of lot are you on, how many updates have you done to the home, is there a basement and is it finished? I'll use this information to compare your home to other similar properties that have sold in the last 6 to 12 months. The key things we are trying to do is look at your property the way an appraiser would, so we don't run into appraisal issues when we're under contract. 3 main points we'll look at to do this are: first, we'll compare your home to similar properties. So if you have a townhome, I'll compare to other townhomes. If you have a 2-story, I'll be comparing to only other 2-story homes. We'll look at similar years built and square footage. Point number 2 is proximity. We try to look at similar homes within a 1-mile radius. And the third point is sold date. We try to only use properties that are sold within the last year. One more thing I would throw into this equation that most agents don't consider is I like to look at all of the properties that are active, under contract, and have sold in the last 12 months to get a good overall picture of current movement and trends. Sound complicated? Quite frankly, it is a little, and that's why I'm the expert in your corner, helping you accomplish your goals and making sure it's the right decision for you. To begin with step 1 and determine your value, click the Learn More button and answer a few simple questions. To watch the next video, simply click the link in the description and it'll direct you to the video series list.